Hello, 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 everybody. This is the next episode of Teacher John's Circle Time. I'm very excited to say that we now have people watching Teacher John's Circle Time from all over the world, from India, from the United States, from England, from the Philippines, and from many, many other countries. Welcome, children. I'm very excited. Let's begin today's Circle Time. Hello, hello everybody, hello everybody, hello. Now remember, I'm going to say names and you copy them and repeat them. I'll say it first, then you say it. Here we go. Hello Sebastian, hello Sebastian, hello Rudy, hello Rudy, hello Jalen, hello Jalen, hello Leanne. Hello, Leanne. Hello, Evelyn. Hello, Evelyn. Hello, Sinai. Hello, Sinai. Hello, Jane. Hello, Jane. Hello, Teacher John. Hello, Teacher John. Welcome to Circle Time. Yay, I'm so excited. So the next song I want to do is a little bit new. Some of you might know it, and some of you maybe not. The song is called Skinamarink. And I'm going to back up a little bit because I need to use my arms. So I'm going to move the camera. There we go. I'm going to use my arms like this. Okay. Let's tilt this down. There we go. Here we go. Skinamarink-a-dink-a-dink, Skinamarink-a-doo. I love you. Skinamarink-a-dink-a-dink, Skinamarink-a-doo. I love you. Now you make a sun. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Ow! Catch it. Touch your heart. Skinamarink-a-dink-a-dink, Skinamarink-a-doo. I love you. I really mean it. I love you. Very good. That was a new song for you. Practice it as much as you want to. The next thing we're going to do today is I want to introduce to you a game. And I know that some of you have played this game before. The game is called What's Missing? So today I have 3 things to show you. Here's a fox. Oh, here's a fox. Here's an egg. And here's an elephant. Here are the 3 things: an egg, a fox, and an elephant. Now I'm going to hide them behind my back and take away one of the things. And you tell me, what is missing? I think I heard somebody say the fox was missing. That's right. The fox was missing. Let's try it again. An elephant, an egg, and a fox. What is missing? Yep, you're right. I think I heard somebody say elephant. The elephant was missing. Let's try it again. A fox, an egg, and an elephant. Which one's missing? That's right. The egg is missing. Come back here, egg. So today we played What's Missing with a fox, an egg, and an elephant. We'll play this game again in the future. The next thing I want to show you is the next letter of the alphabet. We've done A, B, C, D. The next letter is E. Here's the letter E. Big E, little e. These are three words that begin with E. Egg, ear, and eye, like this eye in your head. Egg, ear, and eye. These all begin with the letter E. And now I would like to show you how to make an E, and practice this at home if you want to. Today my pen is black, and I have to take the top off, of course. So here's my black pen. Here's my clipboard and my paper. Now the big E starts with a straight line down. And then I make 3 lines going sideways. And the middle line is not quite as long. And this is the big E. Now I want to make a little e. The little e starts around here, and you make a straight line out like that. And then you kind of make a circle almost all the way around. And that's the little e. Big E, little e. Parents, if the children want to send me their work, what they're practicing, I gave you my email address. You can send it there and I will show the other kids. Well, this has been a great circle time again today. So happy to see you. Let's say goodbye for now with our song, Happy Trails. Happy trails to you until we meet again. Happy trails to you. I'm glad you are my friend. Have a most wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.